Hey everyone, it's Jared with Heat Press Nation. Our Sublicraft line of sublimation blanks now features these awesome can cooler sleeves that are ready for your fun designs and favorite drinks. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can decorate them on both sides, including our unique zipper sleeve for long neck bottles. So stick around as we'll customize this. Now, if you enjoyed this video or find it to be helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And to catch the latest tutorials and live episodes from Heat Press Nation, subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. Now let's get started. If you want your drinks to stay cool longer, these insulated can cooler sleeves are definitely handy to have around for you and your friends. With your designs, they can set the vibe for a fun get-together and even provide a great opportunity to get your brand in others' hands. Sporting a white, 100% polyester outer layer, these USA-made Sublicraft can coolers are ready to be completely customized with your designs through sublimation. Your sublimation transfers will appear clearly and vividly, making a huge visual impact with a small area. They're available in a variety of shapes and sizes to fit the most popular beverages for parties and special events. First, create or import your design to fit accordingly with the shape of a sleeve. You can download templates for your Sublicraft can cooler sleeves at heatpressnation.com, which will be readily shaped and adjusted to their size. And by using a template on graphic design software like Photoshop, you can simply use its bleed layer as a clipping mask to insert your design onto. Doing so will give you enough space to place your sleeves without the risk of your image clipping when applied. In putting your design together, you'll still want to keep the imprint and safety areas in mind to be sure that important details like text and logos will be able to fit. Now, in regards to the zippered sleeve, you may be wondering if you'll need to work around its zipper when creating your design. The answer is yes, though there's no need to worry about any ink transferring onto it. As your printed transfer reaches the zipper area, it'll still be able to apply itself across the whole side consistently, as long as you first unzip it all the way down and slide the handle inside. To compensate for the small bump that will form, you'll need to place a pressing pillow on the lower platen of your heat press. This will allow the zipper to sink into it and provide consistent pressure across the entire side. In terms of what happens to any dies in contact with the zipper area, they'll only faintly appear there, easily removed by cleaning and nothing more. You can also pull the zipper all the way up and allow the ring to hang off the edge of the sleeve. A pressing pillow would still be recommended. But as soon as you finish your sleeve design, go ahead and print it through your sublimation printer. For Sawgrass printers, send it to Sawgrass Print Manager and use these settings. Substrate set to polyester, paper set to your paper's profile, leave the mirror option checked, and change the color mode in the color tab to photographic or vivid depending on your design's level of detail. Once ready, go ahead and click the print button. With your transfer printed, trim it and place your sleeve on top, fitting it within the printed shape, then attach it in place with heat tape. For Sublicraft can cooler sleeves, your heat press will need to be set to 60 seconds at 385 degrees Fahrenheit with light pressure. If you'd like to press multiple sleeves, you'll need to add about 5 seconds for each additional one. As we'll be demonstrating this, our time will be set to 70 seconds total to cover our standard and skinny can cooler sleeves, plus the long neck zipper sleeve. Once your machine reaches temperature, add a pressing pillow to the lower platen if pressing the zipper sleeve. Then add parchment paper on top. You can now place your sleeve on top with the paper side up. Cover it with another parchment paper sheet, then press. When the time hits 0, open your machine and allow the transfer to cool down for a moment. Afterwards, quickly peel them off your sleeve from the center, and a side of it has now been sublimated with your design. Once you've allowed the sleeve to completely cool down, you can follow these same steps to apply another transfer onto its backside. And then your Sublicraft can cooler sleeve is now ready for your favorite drink. If you'd like to share any of your custom Sublacraft can cooler sleeves with us, along with a large community of heat transfer enthusiasts, you can always join our Heat Press Nation creators Facebook group at heat.press/FB group. But to learn more about Sublacraft products and other sublimation blanks, visit our website at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, feel free to contact my expert representative at support.heatpressnation.com. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation. Thanks for watching and drink responsibly.